Renewed efforts to control the worsening coronavirus pandemic in the U.S. On Friday, for a fourth straight day, a record was set for new infections. More than 184,000 Americans tested positive for the virus. Hospitalizations also hit a record high for a fourth consecutive day, reaching more than 68,000. An average of more than 1,100 Americans a day have died of the virus since last weekend.
On Friday, President Trump said he expects Pfizer's vaccine to receive emergency use authorization in the coming weeks. But the vaccine needs to clear hurdles with the Food and Drug Administration. The president added that he would not issue new national restrictions. President-elect Joe Biden called the federal government's response, quote, woefully lacking. New York City began new restrictions on dining and gyms last night, and the city's schools could be next. Michael George is here in New York this morning with more. Michael, good morning.
Dana, good morning. It's a step backwards for a city that's made so much progress in fighting the virus. With the rate rising, Mayor Bill de Blasio says schools here could shut down as early as Monday. Communities nationwide are just trying to get a handle on an outbreak running out of control. Intensive care beds in Utah, where they can find staff, are all filled. And Utah's daily number of cases there jumped to nearly 4,000 at one point this week, signaling to other states they need to act. Massachusetts did Friday.
We're announcing today that we're going to reestablish a field hospital with 240 beds.
During the spring surge, Massachusetts had to use field hospitals to take care of the overflow of patients. But now, as every state sees a surge, the disparity between states on what to do remains deep. Take masks. 28 states mandate masks be worn, while 10 don't. Idaho is one of them, and its governor hopes to appeal for common sense.
This comes down to personal responsibility. Please wear a mask when you're around another person who's not in your household.
In contrast, Oregon's governor Friday ordered a 2-week freeze on the number of people who can contact each other.
It's about social get-togethers, which are limited to 2 households or a maximum of 6 people.
Even college football has taken a tough stand. After Arizona State football coach Herm Edwards tested positive, the ASU-Cal game is called off. And so are at least a dozen college football games that now won't take place this weekend, including matchups featuring 3 of the nation's top-ranked teams, Alabama, Ohio State, and Texas A&M. Then there's the upcoming holidays.
That makes it very problematic, because people out of necessity will be congregating indoors more than outdoors. This is a particular issue as we're approaching the holiday season of Thanksgiving. 1 in every 378 Americans tested positive for the virus this week, and a projection: the surge will be at its height in January. Dr. Michael Osterholm is a newly appointed member of President-elect Biden's virus task force.
We're going to see by far the darkest days of this pandemic between now and next spring when vaccine becomes available. Now we're running it in the 120 to 130,000 cases a day. Do not be at all surprised when we hit 200,000 cases a day.
And late last night, North Dakota's governor ordered a statewide mask mandate after months of saying it was unnecessary. The state now has the highest new case rate in the country. Michelle?
Michael, thank you.